Have you ever pondered the quiet disappearance of bees and other natural pollinators? Notice the challenges it poses to our agriculture? Today we dive into a fascinating solution that may just turn things around. Bioengineered insect drones. Imagine a tiny robot, no larger than a bee, flitting from flower to flower. It's not just any robot. This is a bioengineered insect drone, a revolutionary blend of robotics, synthetic biology, and precision agriculture technologies. These drones are designed using biomimicry principles, taking inspiration from nature itself to replicate the behaviors and functions of real pollinators. So how do they work? Well, these drones don't just look like bees, they act like them too. They can be programmed to visit flowers, collecting and depositing pollen as they go, aiding in the pollination process. But their capabilities extend beyond pollination. They can also be programmed to detect and eliminate specific agricultural pests, thus serving as a form of pest control. Now you might be wondering, why bioengineered insect drones? The answer is twofold. First, they can help address the alarming decline in natural pollinators such as bees, a decline brought on by factors like pesticide use, habitat loss, diseases, and climate change. Second, they can help tackle the problem of escalating pest populations, which are becoming increasingly resistant to conventional pesticides. The benefits of these drones are manifold. They can significantly improve pollination rates, ensuring efficient and widespread pollination. This could lead to enhanced crop yields, a much-needed boon for agricultural productivity. On the pest control front, their precision targeting mechanisms can effectively manage pest populations, reducing crop damage and the need for harmful chemicals. This could not only lower farming costs, but also decrease the environmental impact associated with traditional pest control methods. In summary, bioengineered insect drones, with their blend of advanced robotics and synthetic biology, offer a high-tech, sustainable solution to some of the key challenges facing modern agriculture. They have the potential to mitigate the decline of natural pollinators, reduce reliance on harmful pesticides, and enhance crop yields. As we look to the future of agriculture, these tiny drones might just be the big heroes we need.